Welcome on YouTube, and we're back with another vlog. Guys, we're just gonna take you through a quick vlog. It's supposed to be noisy. A quick vlog. I'm just pretty much picking up my graduation pictures. We're gonna stop at Devon House, and we had other thing to do, but we may not do it today. If we do it tomorrow, I'll vlog it. Yeah, so Orain is preparing. I don't know if I should say this yet, but should I say?
Oh no, you don't have to say that. I never remember, you know.
Alright, okay. When we vlog it, you guys will see it.
Yeah, so stay tuned for what's to come in this vlog, guys.
Alright, so let's go. Alright guys, so I got the pictures and yeah, with the book. So I'm heading back downstairs and we are going to go to Devon House. Yes. There was one other place I wanted to go. I'm not sure if they're going to be still open by the time we would have reached close by. So we're gonna play that by ear. Okay? Guys, the place is actually empty. Every time we come to Devon House, the place is packed as F. Like, this is awesome. I'm wondering what we should do first. Wait. Let me ask mommy. Let me consult mommy.
And we chatted the serving.
Who that?
Not the white?
Oh, it never cash.
No, the lady there, the cashier, I'm saying.
My handsome lad. Guys, so we actually end up going back home to drop off the ice cream, and I went to the pharmacy. We'll go to a nearby pharmacy and as well as a supermarket to fill a prescription and to get some groceries for the weekend. So yeah, we're at the supermarket right now. We just entered. I'm gonna take you guys with us in here.
Hey people.
Yes, and I think we're gonna stop and buy something to eat. And I actually have hair to do when I go home. Apparently, I got some wigs to start out and help install. So yeah. Yeah, people. What happened? What am I gonna do?
Change it.
Oh, yeah. Well, if the inside never rotted. Apparently. Oh my god, guys, that lady just picked up the trolley that Orain put back because it was greasy. Apparently it wasn't for her. Orain, choose the sauce. Choose the sauce. Yeah, choose it.
No?
Yeah. No, so Orain started obsessed with spice all of a sudden.
Spice is nice.
Orain never usually eats spicy food until he met me.
Are you
See, I can't know for broke on people boy child.
Now look on her people because she attacked her and she introduced me to pepper.
I did. I introduced you to the better pepper. I think there is a popcorn box.
Yes, alright guys, just giving you another update. We went in KFC, we come down now.
Yeah, they would have seen it.
Yeah, you would have seen it. We are go home now, go stuff with face. So probably we'll end up the video then.
Not sure. I probably show you guys me working a little bit on the wig that I have and putting it on. So finish off the vlog them time there, because this is a pretty short vlog, so I think I'll include that as well.
Yeah.
But I hope you guys are enjoying this.
Get the wigs at the wig factor.
Alright guys, so this is the hair that I'll be working on. I actually made this customize the color. I mean, it's not really showing the beauty of it. If you guys follow me on at the wig factory, you'll be able to see how it looked originally. But I'm just gonna kind of revamp it. I washed and treated it already. Gonna have it straightened, and yeah.
Hi.